from our local pizzeria. But have you ever had a dessert calzone? Here's a sweet-filled pastry that uses store-bought pizza dough. I roll the dough into individual pockets and fill them with a sweet cheese mixture and chocolate cream. Served with homemade strawberry sauce. My chocolate calzone are uniquely
Look
delectable.
right into there.
I'm going to start with the filling for my calzone because it takes 30 minutes for it to chill in the refrigerator. So we're going to start with the cheese. Ricotta